Hello, we're below stairs at Glanmore. Glanmore is a grand house, and Mr. and Mrs. Phillips would like to keep it that way, by which I mean there's much cleaning to be done. Today I realized that I am very nearly out of wood polish, so I need to mix up some more. Now I have recently been reading in this new book, just published in 1861, Mrs. Beeton's Guide to Household Management. She has a couple of really nice looking wood polish recipes in here. But I think for today, I'm going to go with the more old-fashioned polishes that I know. I'm going to mix up two different ones. The first one, shown to me by a woodworker many years ago. For this first polish, I'm going to add pretty much equal parts of linseed oil. Don't need too much this time around. And turpentine. There we go. And to this, I'm going to add some beeswax that I've just melted on the fire. Now this is going to start to solidify almost immediately, but that's okay. The wax has started to harden, but we'll just mix that up in there. And I've done this in a jar with a screw top lid so that I can screw the lid on and give it a good shake. And what I'll do is I'll just leave this in the sunlight in a windowsill for a couple of days, and it will melt together and make a really nice furniture polish. Our second wood polish doesn't require any melted wax, and I really like it. It leaves a nice soft glow on any finished wood you put it on. Here again, we're going to start with some linseed oil. I go through quite a bit of this, so I'm going to mix up more. And to this, I'm going to add some blackstrap molasses. That gives this a nice dark, warm color. And lastly, we need a splash of gin. That's a good splash. We just need to mix that up. Oh, my spoons and my molasses. I've let our furniture polishes sit for a little while so that the ingredients can combine better. I do have some polishing I need to do, but before I do that, I thought I would just show you on a raw piece of pine what these polishes look like, because I think the contrast will be more noticeable on a raw piece of wood than a piece of furniture. Let's start with our beeswax polish. I have a fine cloth here, just a piece of linen. Of course, flannel is great. I'm told that old cotton stockings are really ideal for furniture polishing. And I'm just going to rub that in. Now this wax paste really is more intended for raw wood than finished furniture, and you may be able to see the kind of finish that it's creating there. Now for our blackstrap molasses. Just need to go a little bit easier with the polisher. There we go. This has a lovely smell to it. And it really does bring out the grain. Creates a nice soft glow to the wood. There we go. So beeswax, raw, and the molasses. And there we have two traditional furniture polishes. If you'll excuse me, I have some cleaning to do.